I've been using the Neakasa M1 automatic litter box for about 2 months now, and it's one of the most favorite cat products that I have used or seen on the market. Now, there is one thing that you need though with this, and that is waste bags. Because you pull this out, you've got to have a waste bag to be able to take it out. Once you run out of the waste bags that come with the Neakasa M1, then you have to purchase more. I have a alternative here from another company. I'm gonna open it up, put one in, check it out, and see how it compares to the stock ones that come with the M1. They do come in a 60 pack, so you do get about a half a year's worth or more in this 60 pack, and that's pretty nice. All right, let's open them up and see what we got. First, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I love that. No more scooping litter. All right, we'll get one of the rolls out. Now these bags are white instead of gray. I don't know if that makes a big difference. And then, very similar. Okay, they have nice thick pull tabs on them. Let's place one in the litter box here. So I'll take that pull tab, I like to hook it here, like so it hooks under. And get it in there. And you just slide that back into place. I think that's going to do well. The material itself feels plenty thick to get the job done. The pull tab is nice and sturdy. So I think this is a nice alternative to the manufacturer's stock brand that comes with the M1. You get more of these for a little better value.